Hi friends, myself Nitisha. Welcome back to the channel RCC Part 4. In this class we have to learn design of beams. For constructing a structure, what we have to design is designing of foundation. Second is designing of plinth beam. Third one is designing of columns. Fourth one is designing of beams. Fifth one is final, that is designing of slab. These five have to design for constructing a building. In this today we will learn the how to design the beams. Designing of beams by using the limit state method. For solving problems there are two types, type 1 and type 2. The type 1, for the cross section of the beam, total dimensions are given, breadth, depth, clear cover and details about the steel reinforcement. In this we have to calculate the ultimate momentum of resistance. This is the type 1. In type 2 problem, only loads are given. Only loads are given. By using the loads we have to calculate, we have to design the cross section. That means from the loads we have to calculate the dimensions of the beam and steel reinforcement which is required. These are the two types. First we have to solve the problem like type 1. This is the type 1 problem. What they are given? Find the ultimate momentum of resistance of singly reinforced rectangular beam of 200 mm by 400 mm, effective depth, reinforced with 3 bars of 20 mm dia, M20 concrete and steel Fe 250. In this problem we have to design the rectangular singly reinforced beam. Breadth of the beam is 200 and effective depth is 400 mm. Bars are 3 bars of 20 mm dia. Here M20 is the concrete and steel is Fe 250. Before solving the problem we have to draw the cross section of the beam. This is the rectangular beam. This is neutral axis. Breadth is 200 mm. 3 bars of 20 mm. Three bars of 20 mm dia. Here 400 mm is the effective depth. Effective depth means center of the bar to the top of the compression zone. That is effective depth. That is 400 mm. Overall depth means the overall depth of the beam. M20 means FCK, characteristics comprehensive strength. FCK is equals to 20 Newton per mm square. Here steel Fe is equals to 250. That means Fi is equals to 250 Newton per mm square. This is the given data. We are solving the problem. Step 1. Step 1 we have to calculating the area of the steel bars, that is AST, area of the steel bars in tension zone. Singly reinforced beam, that means only we are providing steel in tension zone. If we mentioned a doubly reinforced beam, we have to provide the steel in a tension zone and compression zone. Here AST means pi by 4 into d square into n. D is the dia of bar where n is the number of bars provided. Pi by 4 into dia is 20, number of bars are 3. From the after calculation the value is 942.5 mm square. In civil engineering units are must and should. In step 2 Step 2, we have to find out the XU and XU maximum. For what means we have to know this is under reinforced section or over reinforced section or balanced section. For knowing that, we have to calculate XU and XU maximum. For calculating XU, we have to equating the compression force in concrete is equal to tension force in steel. Compression force in concrete is equal to tension force in steel. What compression formula is 0.36 into FCK into B into XU. Tension force is 0.87 Fi into AST. Here we have to calculate the XU 0.87 Fi AST by denominator by 0.36 into FCK into B. Substituting the values in that. X is equals to 0.87, Fi is the 250, AST is 942.5. Here 0.36, FCK is 20. What is the B? B is breadth of the beam, that is 200. These values are calculated in scientific calculator. After calculated, we will get 142.4 mm. This is the XU. We have to calculate the XU maximum, that is the limiting depth of neutral axis. We got XU is equals to 142.4 mm. Now we have to find out the XU max. XU max is the limiting depth of neutral axis. For Fe 250 steel, XU max is equals to 0.53 into D. In place of Fe 250, if we given Fe 415 steel, max is 0.48 D. In case of Fe 415 steel. 0.53 into what is the D is 400. We get the 212 mm. XU is 142, XU maximum is 212. XU max is higher than XU. Hence this is under reinforced section. Under reinforced section. We know this is a under reinforced section. What we given in the problem, we have to find out the ultimate momentum of resistance. Momentum of resistance formula is tensile force into lever arm. Tensile force into lever arm. Tensile force formula is 0.87 Fi AST into lever arm formula is D minus 0.42 into XU. Substituting the values, 0.87 Fi is the 250, AST is 942.5, D is 400 minus 0.42 into XU is 142.4. After calculation, we will get 69.74 kilonewton meter. This is the ultimate momentum of resistance. In the case of over reinforced section, we have to use momentum of resistance formula is compression force into lever arm. Compression force is 0.36 into FCK into B into, in place of XU, we have to write the XU max and lever arm formula is D minus 0.42 into XU max. XU greater than M. This is for over reinforced section.